can easily love me all night long. I'm everywhere, man, looking for you, babe. Looking for you, babe. Searching for you, babe. Yeah. Now we're standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I feel and I just can't deny. But I gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. 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 Hey, 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 hey. Say whoa. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place.
Pair 1, pair 2. Kailangan i-interpret nyo itong song na to, ha?
Just the trust, lost the rest, heart to heart. Wrist to wrist, toe to toe, lips that felt just like the inside of a rose. So how come when I reach out my finger, it seems like all the distance between us. Everybody sing! And then where then?
O, video akin na to. Kailangan sabayan nyo ako, ha?
Just when I felt like giving up on us, we turned around and gave me one last touch. That made everything feel better, and even then my eyes felt redder. So confused, wanna ask you if you love me, but I don't wanna seem so weak. Maybe I've been California dreaming. Hey, 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 sing! And then we're 10,000 miles apart. Darling, my California king. My California king. When the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took the note, I'ma stick it out till the end. Hey, under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, hey, hey, hey. Under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, hey, 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 hey. You run into my arms. It's okay, don't be alone. Come into me. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, eh, eh. Under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, eh, eh. Under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, eh, eh. Under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 eh.
What's up, Bandang people?
Mother. Ayan, hello na na.
Hi, Mom! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas po. Okay, so chance na to para batiin ang mga cast na manood ng Call Me Mother. Okay, simulan na natin kay River.
Yes, nag-live kanina yan.
Yes.
Live performance.
Performance.
First ever live performance of River dito nangyari sa harapan ninyong lahat. O yun.
Ayan, maraming salamat po guys sa pagpunta nyo dito. Guys, para mas masaya po ang Pasko nyo, December 25, Call Me Mother po. Kita-kita tayo sa sinehan.
You know, mga bibig yung mga palarawan mo doon, o River. Manonood ba kayo?
What's here?
Yes, good evening, y'all! Yes, iniimbitan ko muna kayong lahat na manood ng Call Me Mother. Ngayong Pasko na po yan. We will try our best na hindi mo sayangin yung mga ginagastos yung ticket para dito sa isama niyo yung buong pamilya nyo, yung jowa nyo, yung kapitbahay nyo, at sabay-sabay po tayo makapil na roller coaster of emotions.
Yes. How about you, Mika?
Hello po! Merry Christmas po! Happy Holidays! Ayun po, sobrang excited po kami na mapanood niyo po itong Call Me Mother kasi sigurado po napapatawanan po kayo nitong movie na to pero papaiyakin din po kayo at mapipili niyo po talaga yung Christmas at pagmamahal. So sana po magsama-sama tayo this December 25 sa mga cinema.
Ayun po, ilang tulog na lang guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 na lang natulog, makapanood na po natin ang Call Me Mother. Kaya kitang-kita po tayo sa mga sinehan.
And of course, Meme Vice Ganda!
Yes! We love everyone, madam people! Come on, show us some love! Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na nandito ngayon, especially sa akin mga little ponies, and Vice Iron Lovers, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa mga kasamahan ko dito, kay River, kay Esnir, kay Nika, at kay Brent, maraming salamat po at sinasamahan niyo kami dito sa aming mall shows. And katulad ng sinabi nila, dadagdagan namin ng saya, ng tawa, ng ngiti ang mga Pasko po ninyo. Hangad namin na mapagaan ang mga damdamin nyo at i-entertain talaga kayo ngayong Pasko. Siyempre gusto nyo di ba ma-entertain ngayong Pasko? At eto po yun, Call Me Mother. Ito po yung pelikulang magpapasaya sa inyo. This is a comedy with a heart movie. Patatawanin namin kayo, paiiyakin, tapos patatawanin na naman, tapos paiiyakin, babaliwin po namin kayo, yun ang trip natin. Magbaliwan tayo sa Pasko, pero sa dulo, uuwi tayo na mas mahal natin ang isa't isa, lalong-lalo na ang mga nanay natin. Kaya, again, December 25, kasama po namin si Miss Nadine Lustre, kasama rin namin si Lucas Andalio, napakagaling na bata, kasama rin namin si Iya Mina, si MC, si John Lapo, si Chanda Romero, si Miss Carmen Martin at marami pang iba. This wonderful movie is directed by June Robles Lana. Kaya ngayon pa lang nagpapasalamat na po kami sa pagmamahal at support ninyo. Dahil alam namin, ang panonood sa Pasko ay... Ayan. Please, maraming salamat. Merry Christmas, everybody!
Yes, once again, Call Me Mother, December 25 na po yan. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan. Okay, bago sila mamigay ng poster, picture po muna tayo. Group picture. Ayan. Okay. Okay, nice naman. Itaas na yung mga banners. Sino gusto ng poster ng Call Me Mother? Ay, mag-iikot ang ating cast ng Call Me Mother para mabigay ng posters. Okay. Once again, don't forget December 25, Call Me Mother. Yes. Thank you so much, Ayan, mga Feliz. Mag-ingat-ingat po kayo pauwi and see you all on December 25. Showing po na the Call Me Mother. Huwag niyo po kakalimutan unahin yan. This MMFM. Thank you, everyone. Ingat po kayo. Once again, the cast of Call Me Mother. Mag-ingat-ingat po tayo pauwi. Thank you so much for coming. See you sa mga susunod na mga show. Ayan, nalang natin. you. Sana sulit ang pagtunan nyo. Thank you, everyone. Merry Christmas. Don't forget ha, December 25, Call Me Mother.